Preston, come on over. What's wrong?
Preston, why are you so sad?
There's this guy last year that bullied me online about my lights.
Your lights were great last year.
I know. We flew like 50 drones, which was awesome. And then he puts online only 50 drones.
How many drones do you think we can do, Brian?
100? Double it?
Yeah, I think 100 should be doable. Think 100's big enough?
Yeah, let's see if that shows that guy. It's only 100. Snowman.
Oh, it's a
the
snowman.
It's that creepy snowman.
Everybody loves a snowman. Oh, he's got a weird nose, though. I think we can go bigger.
Bigger? Bigger than 100?
I think so.
What about 150?
160. We got to show Kevin.
I think that'll work.
Okay, let's do 160.
Guys, I'm just not sure that was big enough. I don't think that did it.
160 was not big enough.
No, I want to stick it to Kevin.
All right, we're really gonna go for it. Are you ready?
Pull it out.
250.
260.
That might work.
Okay, 260.
Literally, the grid is the size of your house. Guys, I think that did it. I think that was big enough.
That was pretty big.
I want to stick it to Kevin, and I don't think that did it. How
What
about
do you want?
How about 500?
I think we could probably do 500. Brian?
Hey everybody, thanks for watching our video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Who knows, maybe we'll pick your comment next time. Except you, Kevin.